Hello and welcome back to Sissy Spaces. I hope you're enjoying your day today, and I want to thank you for spending a part of it with me. In today's video, we're doing a patio makeover as well as taking care of some DIY and landscaping projects. So without further ado, let's get started. I've been wanting to do something with this area for a while, but because of the septic tank vent, which is located here, I didn't have a clue. Today I came up with an idea and I hope you like it. I purchased 2 cans of paint, thinking it would be enough, but I wasn't able to fully cover the end tables. The next day, I purchased 2 additional cans and finished, but the finished product didn't make the video. I purchased these LED solar disc lights from Sam's, and they're very easy to assemble and install. They come in a box of 6 for $19.98, and I purchased 2 boxes. So if you're interested, I've linked them in my description box. I'm evening out the mulch and ensuring the disc lights are exposed. I'm also removing the plastic to allow them to charge properly. The brown rubber mulch that I used in the front of my home was sold out at Sam's, so I instead stopped at Lowe's and found a mulch that was very similar in size, color, and texture, but at a cheaper price. When watching this back, I realized I forgot to wash the windows with screens, so I decided I'll tackle that on another day. changed the water several times while washing the doors, windows, and the furniture. We keep the chairs covered most of the time, so I was surprised to see a stain on one of the cushions. But you know what? It wasn't that difficult to remove. After some last-minute touches, it was time to decorate. We purchased this patio set from Lowe's 8 years ago, and it's still in great condition. I didn't want to remove the cover from the grill because I was afraid it would rip due to dry rot. Here's what the finished project looks like in the early evening. The family and I really enjoyed them last night, and I've also included shots of what it looks like at night. Thanks for watching Sissy Spaces. Please remember to hit that orange S in the center to subscribe. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday when I post my short video. See you later. Bye.